My name's Spencer Ehrenfeld. I am originally from Chicago, but raised in Wichita, Kansas. My practice has been virtually exclusively representing the injured. I came to Miami to go to college in the early 80s and graduated from the University of Miami. I've made this comment at UM and at different law schools around the country that I graduated law school at UM with honors, cum laude, and had no idea where the courthouse was when I graduated. But I found it and started my own practice in 1991, right after I graduated law school. I've never really worked for any lawyer or law firm other than my own. I started my practice in my apartment that was pretty much right across the street from the law school, and I was meeting clients either at the Wendy's, which is across the street, or in the law school law library. My very first case, I was getting a haircut, and the lady who was cutting my hair was talking to me about her son who had had a circumcision at Jackson Memorial Hospital, and the circumcision didn't go well. And she's like, wait a second, can't you help me? And she said, well, aren't you a lawyer? And it was the very first time anyone had ever really pointed out to me, I'd only been a lawyer for about 4 days, that I was in fact a lawyer. It was the first time I said, yes, and I will help you. Of course, I had no idea how or what I could possibly do, but I decided to spend all of my time working for this baby, and ultimately was able to get the case settled. The case was resolved, and that money that was my attorney's fee went to help me open my own law practice. I started looking around for an office and found one here in Coral Gables, where I have been every single day since 1991. In a few weeks, I had clients. Within a few months, I was actually hiring classmates of mine, and I started doing it all, and ultimately found that I really had a passion for just one thing, and that was helping the injured on a contingency fee basis, where nobody was paying me or watching how many hours I was spending to do something, and that I would only get paid if I was able to win. It got me out of bed in the morning. It got me to shave and put on a suit and tie. We will never represent a business, a hospital, a physician, an insurance company. We only represent those that are injured by companies that put their own profits ahead of the safety of their patients or consumers. My name's Spencer Ehrenfeld. I'm the founder of Ehrenfeld Trial Lawyers. What makes a difference for me is making a change that makes the world a safer place.